Hi guys and welcome to Ray ZTV. Hang on 1 minute, that's better. No, I've just got a thing on my head. Well, sorry about the lack of content lately due to car related things. Oh, it's echoing here. Okay, but with it being, I have a week off now. So I thought with my spare downtime that I've got, I'll tart the workshop up. Because let's face it, it's seen better days. It's very tired. So I'm decided it could do with a lick of paint in here. Well, you can see what I mean. It is tired. It really could do with a lick of paint. There's so much room in here for activities. It's unbelievable. That's gonna have to go. I don't know when. I'll probably paint over it, to be honest with you. But everything's been emptied out. But yeah, I'm gonna tart it all up, get it ready for winter. As you can see by the state of me, I've probably spent a good, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours in here today cleaning it, emptying it, just giving it a damn good blowout, to be fair. I've swept and I've brushed, I've used the air compressor and blown it all down. I've made about 1,500 spiders now homeless. Wood lice like there's no tomorrow, but it will all be worth it in the long run. You know, it's just with winter coming in and where the location of this place is, the nights do tend to draw in early and it does get dark in here very quickly. Even with these lights, no matter how powerful they are, if I freshen up these walls with a lick of white paint, I'm not decided on the floor yet, because it might be an unnecessary expense, God knows. But like I say, if I tart these walls up, it should help me work when I work on cars in the winter in here, with the reflecting of the light, so to say. So like I say, I didn't want to bore you guys with the details. In fact, I probably wasn't even going to make this into a video, but I just thought I'd let you guys know why I've not been as active as I previously have been. But as you can see, it's not like I haven't been doing anything. Okay then guys, this video is going to be filmed over a week, you know, give or take, because of time is against me, because I've got a lot of stuff to do outside of here on my week off, which is not ideal, but as I just want to crack on with it. But hey, so yesterday I spent, as I said, about 5 or 6 hours absolutely deep cleaning this. From my knowledge, this place hasn't been decorated or properly cleaned out in the past 20 years. So, as you can see behind me, I've got the first coat on. You know, I know this isn't automotive footage. I know this is going to be probably one of my worst videos, but you know, when these walls are sealed and I've got a couple of new lights put in and I've got a light put in at the back there, just in front of the pit, that's my aim as well. I want a light bar going across there, flick it on with a switch at the wall, and happy days, I'll then have a light shining on engine bays in the pit. So when you're working on your engines, it should keep it nice and bright so you can actually see what you're doing. Admittedly, it's always handy to have a little workman's light as well, just in there with you while you're working on your cars. But for a first coat, and considering it hasn't been done in 20 years, I don't think it's taken too badly. Traeger's got a bit of a sale on at paint at the moment. I reckon I could do this whole workshop for under 25 quid. And that's 2 decent coats as well. That's my plan of action anyway. So, yeah, I best crack on and hopefully it should smarten it up. So then, what I forgot to say is, if you have a club or a company, or if you want to advertise anything in the background of my videos, get in contact with me, because as you can see back there, there's going to be a nice bright white empty wall in the background, which can be used for advertising purposes. So hit me up if you want to be in the background of my videos. So then, that's it done and dusted. Good couple of coats on each of the walls. It really has brightened it up lovely in here. Let me guys show you something that I am really quite pleased with. You know how dark and dingy it is working down a pit? Well, no more. No more. The lights has already been, well, sorry, let me just say it again. The light has always been down there, but it's always been dull because the walls themselves are either covered in oil or dirt or grime or God knows what else was down there, to be perfectly fair. I had to clean all that out as well and strip that down. But you can see that is a lovely space now to work with. Admittedly, I've got to get the tractors in a minute, but I've sorted out so much crap that's been hoarded in here over the last 20 odd years. It's just, yeah, so much crap. I couldn't get rid of that in the end. It's going to stay for now. I'm not going to say for definite, but it will be going. I just don't have access to a vehicle or a van just to week it out and take it away down to the dump, because if you left it outside or did anything else with it, it would just be a pile of rust in minutes. But yeah, I got a few little bits hanging up on the walls, bit of decoration. I know it's a bit cheesy, but when you find some nails, you do what you want to do. But no, all in all, I'm really happy with how this is all turning out. You know, it's all that has been nicely refreshened up. This is all, after all, this is all for your viewing pleasure. I haven't got round to getting the lights yet. I'm still waiting on the electrician to get back to me. My dad's meant to be sorting that out, but he's on holiday, so yeah. But I did buy some of this stuff, some PVA. I've got 10 litres there. I will be going over the floor at a later date just because this place, the dust levels are stupid. If you work on your car in here, after about, say, an hour, there is a damn good layer of dust over it. But yeah, some of these walls took paint better than others. I am a one-man band. So yeah, you can see. I'm just really, I know it's nothing exciting. A guy has just painted some walls, whoopee-doo. Believe me, I fully understand where this is going, you know. But, you know, it's just one of those achievement things. It started off life looking dull and dingy, but now, for your viewing pleasure, you're going to have a nice, clean background. And for me, it's going to be nice and clean to work in. It's just, oh, you don't know how much of a breath of fresh air it really is. So now you guys hopefully understand why it's been so quiet on my channel lately. I've been doing this all over the last, it must be leading up a good couple of weeks. Just sorting little bits out here and there, just until my week off hit, and then bang, I just got stuck in. But due to other commitments outside of work, I couldn't do it as quickly as I'd like to have done it. So, you know, but, big but, not to worry, normal car-related content, that's the word I was looking for, will be coming up soon. I've got a few things lined up, and yeah, thanks for watching today, guys. Please hit the thumbs up just for a nice, clean, shiny workshop. Come on, it's done. It's done at last. And I did go over budget. You know, I spent 38 quid on paint. But hey ho, it's not the end of the world. I'll probably be redoing it again, probably in the summer or spring of next year, just because it is a bit patchy in places and, well, let's just say it's not quite 100% my standard. I like to think I've got quite a high standard. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm trying to finish the video up, but I'm waffling. Thanks for watching, guys. Send me in some cool shit to stick on the wall. Send me in some sponsorship if you really want to, you know. It's up to you, I don't mind. I just want some cool stuff to go on the wall back there, to be fair. Glam this place up a bit. But yeah, blimey, how many times have I got to say it? Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ta-ta for now.